So guys, I'm in the process of installing this. This thing has been the easiest chair to set up and install that I've ever reviewed, and I've reviewed over 15, 20 chairs. This guy's green. Oh my word, the colors are amazing. In person, I'm telling you, the colors look so much better in person. Blue, white, orange, which is kind of like a yellow. Here's yellow, which is kind of like a lime green in a way. Another color, purple. Look at this. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Let me actually demonstrate for you guys now. So a couple things. Like, it really moves very freely. Here's something crazy. You guys can lean this back really far, but be careful. You don't want to flip it, but here, let me go over here. Like, you guys, like, look how far I can lean back. I can almost take a nap in this. So you also have a support pillow right here, and also a support pillow for your head that can be removed if you want it, the same as this one. These are fully adjustable, and what's nice is you grab this lever right here, and you can lift it up high and low, and you can adjust inward if you want as well, just with the bolts underneath. Same for the other side. You can also have a leg rest, which we'll demonstrate. Rotates 360 degrees. Now you want to put your cables up over that. A lot of people in a minute with the lighting. Fully adjustable, easily rotates. The wheels work great, so you can easily move the chair around. You can also put everything in the pocket back here as well, so it depends on your preference. Very nice stitching all around. So you have two USBs. Now, one USB plug is for the massager. So this actually can massage right on here. And let me demonstrate. Can you guys hear it? Turn it off. So this actually vibrates and massages. And this just simply takes 4 AA batteries, so make sure you have 4 AA batteries. Now, are you ready for the real fun? This is the other USB. It turns on lights all the way through this whole chair. And let me tell you, it is sick looking. Turn them off, turn them on. It is absolutely sick. It looks amazing. The lights are fantastic on this. And you have a controller to adjust the lights. Look at this. This thing is so cool. Controller, so we can adjust the brightness or make it lower. But of course we want it as bright as we can. You can turn it off with the controller, turn it on. You got red. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Other color modes. You can adjust the speed. Look at this. Guys, this is the coolest chair you've probably ever seen. You can keep it at certain colors. Like, you can pause it if you want to pause it and keep it at that color. You can adjust the speed to where it's like really slow. You got multiple different modes. Let's up the speed so you can see the modes a little better. So there's multi-modes. All of these are just different modes. Look at this. This is cool. So that goes by sound. So that's sound. This one is sound as well. So here's another sound. So this one goes by sound. Here's another mode with sound. Guys, this chair, I tell you, this chair is really high quality, like really, really high quality. Also use a power bank if you want. So you can use a power bank. If you don't want to use batteries and you have a power bank, you know, this just simply is a USB plug, so you just plug it into your power bank as well. That's fully adjustable, so you can stop it wherever you want and keep it. So now it's positioned. You can also adjust the height. Let's see, make sure we grab where it's at right here. So you can adjust the height by sitting, and it puts you down by standing and pulling it up. Finish putting this on. Don't pull it out too far, or you'll pull the whole thing out. But you just need to pull it out enough. And as you can see, nice little footrest. I mean, you can sit like this. Hopefully you guys can see here. Sit like this. Sit like this. You know, whatever works for you guys. And then when you're done, you just simply flip this, push it back under, just like that. So I love this. I love this chair. I love the adjustment on it for the armrest. It's nice. I think you guys are gonna love it too.